We provide a 40-inch Smart HD TV at Heathmere. If you find that TV doesn't turn on with a remote control, which I'll show in a second, please ensure it is switched on at the plug down here, and also that it is switched on here via this switch. If that's off, then please turn it on and the TV will work. So to turn on the television, you've got a remote control. You can then just push the red button up here, that will turn it on. We have terrestrial TV, free view. To access the guide, just push TV guide. That will load up, and then you can use the arrows keys up and down and push OK to select the program you wish. If you wish to exit this guide, push the exit button here. And then you can also go into Netflix, which is provided. So go into Netflix, push the Netflix button. That will then load up Netflix, which is Heathmere, and you can just select whatever program or film you wish to desire. If you wish to exit Netflix, just push the exit button again here, and that will exit when you push yes back to the terrestrial TV. To turn off the television, you then just have the power button at the top here, and that will turn it off. That's how to use the television. Thank you.